At the Dirt Workshop, we want to talk about what matters. So this year we're bringing in independent crop consultant, Dr. Briese, as a keynote presenter. So Lee, I wanted to ask you some of the things that you may be covering with this audience of farmers and consultants and industry people that are coming to this meeting.
Well, the first thing I want to talk about is that this meeting's for everybody. No matter what your preferences are, no-till, minimum till, conventional tillage, it's for everybody. And so that's the main message. The other thing is that I want people to come with an open mind, to ask questions, to talk to the presenters, to change ideas with the farmers, with the presenters, with the speakers, and just share those ideas and then take them home and use them.
Given some of the challenging conditions in 2019, is some of that going to be woven into your keynote presentations?
For sure. What we want to do is talk about some of the weather patterns and some of the issues we're facing and how the presenters and the speakers all have tools and ideas that we can use to try to manage this wet weather and this cold weather better.
So we know 2019 isn't just a one-year deal.
Yeah, we already know we're going to start wet next spring, and depending on how much rain we get next year, it could even go into 2021.
Well, I really look forward to hearing what you have to say at the Dirt Workshop, which is going to be December 9th through the 11th in Fargo. You can find all the information online at dirtworkshopnd.com.